Innovation. Reselect. Now the sentence is written on the board. Look at the sentence. It is an action sentence. Thieves stole 7 lakh worth of jewelry from Anil's home. Okay. Thieves stole 7 lakhs worth of jewelry from Anil's home. Color structure in the sentence.
Simple, present, simple past, action, passive voice. Simple past action, active voice, sir.
Simple past action, active voice. How can you say the structure is simple past action, active voice?
After subject, V2.
After subject,
V2
things
is
stole. Stole is V2. Nicole is absolutely right. Clap for it. Thieves stole 7 lakhs worth of jewelry from Anil's home. Seven lakhs worth of jewelry must be the answer. Who can ask question? Katreya.
What did these steal from the government's house?
What did
Thieves.
this claps for because question is for object 7 lakhs worth of jewelry. Oh, what did thieves steal from Anil's home? Steal, stole, stolen. Stole is equal to did steal. Is it not? Steal, stole, stolen. Is it a strong verb or weak verb, Niharika? Meenakshi, is it a weak verb?
Sir, strong verb, sir.
Automatically, if it is not weak, that is a strong verb. See, ed is not there, no? Ed, again, for example, steal, steal, steal. Is it right? Steal, stole, stolen. It is an irregular verb. So, all irregular verbs are also called strong verbs. These irregular verbs are strong verbs are used as main verbs in the sentences. Main verbs, if the main verbs are action verbs, they are action sentences. If the main verbs are possessiveness verbs, those are possessiveness sentences. If the main verbs are state of being, am, is, are, was, were, all the main verbs, then they are state of being sentences. Anyway, thieves stole 7 lakh worth of jewelry. So, for the sentence, yes or no question. For the sentence, yes or no question. Yes or no question. Kalyan, no.
Did the thieves steal 7 lakhs worth of jewelry from Anil's home?
Claps. Automatically it is V2. Whenever V2 is there, did V1. Did is the auxiliary verb implicit here. Did the thieves steal 7 lakhs? Again, thieves must be the answer. How can you?
Who stole 7 lakhs worth of jewelry from Anil's home?
Who?
Who stole 7 lakhs worth of jewelry from Anil's home?
Okay, clap. Let's complete of thieves. Because it is the WH question for the subject. Who stole? V2 is as it is. V2 is not changed whenever we use WH question for the subject. Who stole 7 lakh worth of jewelry from Manil's home? Who can tell the phrase of jewelry? What is it? 7 thieves stole 7 lakhs worth of jewelry. What is it of jewelry? 2 words are there. What is it? 7 lakhs worth of jewelry. No, of jewelry. OF for
Adjective phrase.
claps for Kavya. 7 lakhs. See, this 7 lakhs worth of silver man. It can be of silver. 7 lakhs worth of cash will be there. 7 lakhs worth of diamonds may be there. But here 7 lakhs worth of jewelry. Of jewelry. What kind of 7 lakhs worth it is now? For this now, it is an adjective phrase. It can be changing 7 lakhs worth of jewelry, 7 lakhs worth of cash, 7 lakhs worth of something, some other thing. But coming to this sentence, 7 lakhs worth is now 7 lakhs worth of jewelry. Who can tell about this phrase? From Anil's home. Thieves stole 7 lakhs worth of jewelry from Anil's home. Kalendra?
Answer else.
From Anil's home.
Adverb. From where?
From Anil's home. These three words collectively express something. What is that something?
Adverb of manner. Sir, adverb of time, sir. Adverb of place. Adverb of place.
Adverb phrase. That is not single word. From Anil's home. These group of words.
Sir, place and verb. Place and not, sir. Place and not, place.
Okay, adverb phrase of place. Adverb phrase of place. With the different prepositions, we can from Anil's home. Okay, ma'am, for you. Okay, for you also. It is being recorded. We will keep going for 2 or 3 minutes. That is what. Here is another sentence. The president has a tight schedule today. The president has a tight schedule today. What is the structure in the sentence?
Sir?
The president has a tight schedule today.
So, simple action. Present action.
A little.
Simple present possessive sentence.
The president, he has a tight schedule today. Again, she trains horses. She trains horses. What is the structure in the sentence?
Actually, trains.
She trains horses. Kartikeya.
No present action.
After the subject, she trains. Kartikeya, right? Anyway, she trains horses. As well verb in the sentence, she trains horses. What is the adverb? Yes, absolutely right. That's how can you say no? She trains horses. How can you say does is adverb?
Subject after B1 is this. Subject after was
She trains the horses.
S is there, sir.
Yes, yes, they are very good. Again, once again, clap. She finds the process. She finds the main verb has yes, yes, is. Whenever the main verb contains, whenever the main verb, when yes, is or is are, if the main verb is with these three, she goes to temple, she trains horses, she teaches physics. Teach is having is. They teach physics means to teach. If the given is there, do is active. If yes or es or ies or if the main verbs are with these three, carries, ies, carries, worries, ies, plays, plays, plays. Main verb is with yes. Whenever the sentences are with these, whenever the sentences again in the sentences, if the main verb has these three, yes, 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 again, automatically active verb is there's. Okay. We'll discuss some other topic.